Where is he? Where'd he go? She's like, I'm just enjoying making him go under the blanket. Pull it off. Come on, grab the blanket. There you go. Pull it. Good job. Give him a hug. Oh, you gonna sit in his lap?
It's a good seat.
He's like, okay, I'm gonna take a nap on you. Where's Grace? Where's Grace? Where'd you go? There she is! She's like, I don't really care. I just want to sit.
Uncle Berber is good for relaxing.
Good for something.
So you want your book?